Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Search in Education Hub in English. Friends, today we will discuss on the topic or a very sharp discussion on the topic IASB. That means International Accounting Standard Board. Actually, we will discuss the main important question. What is the main role and achievement of this IASB? We recently discussion on the IFRS. IFRS is actually promoted or mainly run by, or you can say that globally adapted, or the main authority that is overviewing the IFRS is called IASB. So you can say that IASB is the organization that actually wanted to promote the IFRS, that means International Financial Reporting Standard or the Global Financial Reporting Standards, so that it will provide the proper base for reporting, so that it provide the proper basics for the financial reporting for each and every country, so that consistency, fair view, or the transparency should be maintained in the every reporting. So this is the main thing that is behind the motive, or that is including the organization of the IASB. So coming to the main question, that is the achievement and the role of IASB. Very first important thing, IASB, the main important thing is developing and issuing the IFRS. This is a major achievement for IASB, or this is a major role that is providing by IASB in promoting the IFRS. That means International Financial Reporting Standards. So international financial reporting standards are the today's main important thing that should be promoted globally, so that global achievements of accounting systems should be consistent, transparent, and reliable for each and every company or the country as well. So reliable basis for the financial reporting should be maintained in today's time. So it is only possible, or the main role behind this consistency is only by the IASB. So this is the main achievement and the role of the IASB in the IFRS. Coming to the second point, guidance on the interpretation and application of IFRS. Main point behind the IFRS is running perfectly, or the running globally or adapted by many countries, just because IASB is the main board or organization that actually providing the guidance how to use the IFRS, how to report in the IFRS, how to organize the IFRS. So this is the main thing. So in simple word, IASB provides the main role in providing the guidance for the interpretation or the application of the IFRS. So how to apply IFRS is a difficult task for the every company, but it will easiness that is provided by the IASB behind that for every company is the main role of the IASB. So this is the second one. Third one is the use of IFRS. IFRS, the main use. What is the main use? It should be promoted. So IFRS is not today very much promoting actually, but IASB coming in existence, and after their existence their main role is on the IFRS, so that the promoting is the main role behind the IFRS, that is just because of IASB. So IASB is properly today's time educating or outreaching their efforts, so that its aim to increase the IFRS should be achieved very much, or should be adapted by more and more countries, so that reasonable and reliable basis for the financial reporting should be maintained. Okay, this is the third point. Coming to the next point, that is improving the quality of financial reporting. Quality, this is a very important point in every financial reporting, whether it is international or whether it is national as well. So you can say that through the work of IFRS or developing the IFRS, IASB is also focusing on the improving quality of the IFRS daily life. In simple word, IASB is regularly focusing on the IFRS guidelines or IFRS main issues or deviation that actually IASB take the action on the correct time and change it at a right time. So you can say that changing adapting conditions or the reason to be changed is mainly done at a faster time by the IASB. So the quality is just improving daily life just because of these things, or IASB is just focusing or improving the quality of IFRS, and as well as if the quality of IFRS will be increased. It will be helpful for the company as well to maintain their credibility or increase their credibility power for the purpose of reliability of the financial statement, for the purpose of credit rating. So this is the main thing. Okay, coming to the next point, that is improving the creditability of the financial statement. IFRS is also the important part that includes the comparability between the reporting. Actually, IASB means role in the IFRS to ensure that there should be a comparability situations in the financial reporting. It means financial reporting should be prepared in that way so that it will be easy comparable for the every company, or it will be easy comparable with each other. So you can take a decision on the basis of past, or if you compare your reporting with any other company, so you can also take the decisions very fast for the purpose of any changes, for the purpose of any new adapting, or where there is a deviations, or how to correct these deviations. This is very easy with the help of international financial reporting, or not only international financial reporting is the main part behind that. IASB is the main achievement or main role that is providing in this IFRS. So this is the another one point. Coming to the next one, responding to the change need of the global economy. Yes, today the global economy is very fluctuating, dynamic, or you have to be focused on these changes as well. And very much important, IASB is also regularly focusing, because it is important on the part of IASB so that any changes arises on the part of company or the company law in any national countries or the international countries, or you can say that international global market. So international financial reporting standards should also be adapted with that type of changes, should be changed with that type of changes, so that every company knows about that things, or knows about their reporting timely, how to report these things, how to report these changes, how to adapt these changes. So whenever the financial reporting will be changed, company will also adapt their financial statement with that things. So in simple word, how the financial reporting will be globally changed, or make changeable with change in environment. This is only possible with the help of IASB, or you can say that IASB plays a main role in IFRS, just to adapt the changing need of the global economy. Coming to the another point, that is the understandability should be enhanced in the financial statement. Actually, IFRS is also the main objective, that understandability should be increased, so that the layman is also, if want to understand the financial statement of any country, then they can also understand it very well. Not a layman means a simple man. You can say that if the everyone who want to interested in taking the accounts of the company and want to understand it, they can easily understand. So these type of financial reporting should be prepared by every company, and it should be only possible, or it should be the main thing, that IFRS is not suitable in these type of things alone, or you can say that this is not possible only with the IFRS with his own. So the main body that actually maintaining these IFRS in understandability, or ensuring that the understandability should be improved or increased timely, this is only possible with the help of IASB, or the IASB plays a main role or have a main achievement behind that. And the last one is collaboration with other setters as well, other accounting standards as well. Actually, there are also the national standards in the country, and for an example, Indian accounting standards, right? Indian country have also their own accounting standards for the purpose of reporting. So you can say that there are many national accounting standards as well. If any company which have a branch as well in the foreign country, how they may adapt their national accounting standards as well as the international financial reporting standards. So this is only possible to maintaining the gap between these two accounting standards, or how IFRS is also collaborate with the national accounting standards. This is only possible by the board, that means IASB. IASB collaborate with other standards, or collaborate with Indian standards as well, and try to make it more effective. Or they can also try to collaborate with IFrS, that is the US accounting standard board. So you can say that IASB is regularly focusing on collaborating with each other national accounting standards, so that they can also adapt these accounting standards and make their reporting more suitable and globally consistable and faster or easy to understandable. So these are the some important achievement, these are the some important role that are provided in the financial reporting, that should be in the financial reporting, and that are the main role and achievement of the IASB behind the IFRS. So this is a very important question for the purpose of exam. Should be write all these points very carefully. So this is all about today, friends. I hope you like that video. If you like that video, please hit the like button, and if you are new in the channel, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon, because you will get the update only after pressing the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Waiting for the next video.